got to talking and she began to compliment me. Said that she likes the way I sing and perhaps she could help me. But I was caught up in the pain behind her eyes. She said, make me a bird, I'll fly away beyond the confines of the sick, sick game. I said, make me a bird and I'll fly too. Don't care where, just wanna spend some time with you. A little time with you. Just blue-eyed boy and green-eyed girl and the brightest moon the whole damn year. And I got to find this a dream. Her eyes make diamonds look like loose change, the kind that make a man lose track of what he's saying back. She said, make me a bird, I'll fly away beyond the confines of the sick, sick game. I said, make me a bird and I'll fly too. Don't care where, just me and you. Listen, don't want to play the game, just want showtime. And if I occupy the contents of your mind, then make me a bird, I'll fly with you. Don't care where, just wanna sit and spit the truth. Just blue-eyed boy, green-eyed girl, brightest smoke, the whole damn year. She said, make me a bird, I'll fly away beyond the confines of the sick, sick game. I said, make me a bird and I'll fly too. Don't care where, just me and you. Listen, don't want to play the game, just want showtime. And if I occupy the contents of your mind, then make me a bird, I'll fly with you. Don't care where, just wanna sit and spit the truth. Make me a bird, God, make me a bird. Make me a bird, God, make me